Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a collab here, Sia and Labrinth. They did incredible work here with a song called Incredible, actually. So let's take a look at this one. We have 3 chords only. They go in the same way through the entire song, and we don't use any capo either. So very nice there. Let's go right into the chords. It's A minor, C, and E minor. Starting here with A minor. All right, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. That's the A minor. Over to C, you take your ring finger, which you probably use there on the 2nd fret G string, and you put it on the 3rd fret A. Keep everything else there, and that gives us the C, which is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so A minor, C, and E minor. We're going to look at the stringing pattern here, and it needs to be divided into 2 different parts, and we're going to look at that in the beginning here. The transition from A minor to C, that's where you're going to split the strumming here. So let's take a look at that. So we have the A minor part 1. It goes like this: down, 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 clap. Okay, so down, down, short pause, and then down, clap. Slowly. All right. And then you shift to part 2 and the C chord. You're gonna play down, up, 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 clap. So down, up, clap. That's it. So if you combine it to these 2 parts here, it will be down, 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 clap, down, up, clap. That's one string around, and then you use that full string around for the E minor and play both parts there: down, 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 clap, down, up, clap. And that's one chord progression round, and that's it. So if you go a couple rounds of this, I'm going to take down the tempo a little bit for you. It will sound like this. Or and that pretty much covers Sia and Labrinth. Incredible. Hope you enjoyed this one, and if you did, feel free to support me here at Gordon Guitar. Click the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I'm out. Till next time, play tuned.